we continue to talk about sending information to the function. Now you see that over here we have a function showSum, and it gets 3 different parameters, num1, num2 and num3. In fact, we don't even have to include over here these names. It does have it in this program, as long as we have it over here, num1, num2, num3. Now there are a few rules about sending information through the parameter list. The function call has to have the same number of parameters as the function. So over here this is the function call. They have to be in the same sequence. So over here we use value 1, value 2, value 3. Over here num1, num2, num3, but they're all integers. If one of them is a float, and we'll see that in the next program too, it has to be in the same position. So let's say that the third one is a float. You have an integer, and a float. Then over here you have to have an integer and a float, not float, integer, or integer, float. So you have to have the same number and in the same sequence. As far as data type is concerned, you don't have to give them the same names, and you see that over here too. Although I do suggest that you give them the same names because it's so much easier to work with. Okay, so let's run this. And I'm going to do 25 and 35 and 40, and it adds up to a neat 100. Now you see a problem over here with the instruction, and we want to change this. We're going to change this to separated by a space. Okay, now when we run it again, the instruction is much clearer. So 25, 35 and 40. Okay, so this is how you can send multiple pieces of information through the parameter list.